welcome back to my channel, Sibling Craft. My name is Asif and today we're going to be making a paper airplane. So let's get started. You will need is a piece of paper, any kind of paper. It just has to be a piece of paper. So what you will need to do is fold it in half. Just try to make it as neat as possible. And then unfold it and make two triangles here, and then fold it forward like this. Then do the same thing, make two triangles again. This is an advice from me. Try not to use thick paper because then it won't fly good. Try to use thin paper and then fold it. When you do that, fold it backwards. And then try to, now we're going to make the wings, and try to make the wing so that this place can be a triangle right here. And do the same to the other side. And then you're done. Paper airplane. Now I'm going to show you some adjustments that you can do. You can fold the back like that. Fold it like this. And then fold the wing. You can also fold the wings. Same to the other side. And that's two of the adjustments. And the other one is open it. You get the corner. You fold it until the edges are pointy. The edges, like the corners right here, it's like a straight line. And then you can fold it like that. And fold the wings again. Fold the wings. Fold the other wing. And you're done. Paper airplane. This kind of paper airplane flies good, and it might like come back to you like a boomerang. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe, hit that like, and comment down below if it flies good for you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!